What can you do before the end of this year to get a bigger tax refund at tax time? In the next few months, I want you to reach out to everyone who you have loaned money to in the last several years that didn't pay you back. Whether you loaned your best friend $1,000 to help her pay her rent, or you loaned your cousin $200 to buy some shoes. Whatever the case and whoever it was, send them a text message or an email saying, hey, I loaned you $2,000 on January 16th of 2020. You were supposed to pay me back by December 31st of 2020, and you have not paid me back yet. Best case scenario, they pay you the money they owe you. Worst case scenario, you use that unpaid loan as a tax write-off to get a bigger tax refund. So sending those texts and emails before the end of the year is creating a paper trail. So if you didn't already have proof of the loan, now you do. Now you've got proof that you loaned out the money on a certain date, it's a certain amount, and that you were trying to collect it and you have not received it back. When you go to file your taxes, this is going to be considered a non-business bad debt. And no, you don't need to report the person's social security number or personal identifying information. You do, however, need the date that you loaned the money, the amount that you loaned, and any amount that they have repaid you, as well as when they were supposed to pay you back. Now, the same loss rules apply as in the first video. It's up to a maximum of $3,000 in loss per year if you don't have any other capital gains. So I use the last few months of the year to send out those texts and emails because one thing's for certain and two things for sure, I'm going to get my money back one way or another. Writing off that unpaid loan can make a huge difference on your tax refund in a few months. So go create that paper trail and then come back for part 3.